Hey, how's it going, everybody? Brady here with PreppersUnlimited.com, and today we got the Kershaw Cryo. Alright, so like I said, guys, we are doing the Kershaw Cryo today. Really nice knife. I like the finish on this knife and the hardware that they put on it. It looks great. Got some jimping up here, not overly aggressive. Most of the Kershaws aren't overly aggressive though. Little jimping back here. This one does have a thumb stud, and yeah, like I said, I like the black hardware on this. The pocket clip, I like that. Lanyard hole, pretty decent sized lanyard hole. I do kind of like these ones, like the new Flourish has. You guys can check out that video. But I do like more of that style of lanyard hole. I'm starting to like that. So, if I didn't say already, this is another one of their budget EDC knives. Steel on this, 8CR13 MOV. Pretty typical in their lineup. Weight coming in at about 4.2 ounces, which is pretty good considering this is entirely steel. Thickness, typical 1/10 of an inch, like most of your Kershaws, at least in this lineup of the budget ones. Close length on this, 3 3/4, so it is a little bit smaller of a knife in terms of length. Overall length, looking at 6 5/8, and your blade length is 2 3/4. So it's a pretty small knife. I like it. It is a little bit stiff in the liner lock. I don't know if that's just this one or they're all like that. Maybe they were meant to be like that too, kind of a safety deal. I don't know. But it is a little harder to do one-handed. Maybe that's a big deal to you. Maybe not. But yeah, I do like this knife. I wish that they would have put some jimping maybe on the back here, like the Rove. I'll go ahead and bring that guy out here as a comparison. And yeah, you can see the Rove has some jimping there, and not only that, it flows right into that flipper tab. The Cryo, not so much. Not a huge fan of the flipper system on the Cryo. I think they kind of dropped the ball on that one. But you know, really, it's a nice knife. For the price, you can't beat it. Like a lot of Kershaw's budget lineup, you know, they're great knives. Action on it's smooth, snappy. And yeah, guys, that about does it for the Kershaw Cryo. Be sure to head on over to PreppersUnlimited.com. Check out the blog, see what's going on over there. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about the Cryo, or what you don't like about it, what you like, and, you know, let us know what your guys' thoughts are. So, yeah, anyways, I'm going to go, and I will catch you guys in the next video.